Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're taking a look at Polygon here, which is a crypto that I haven't actually looked at in a good while. So there's been a bit of development on the charts, but you can see that these Fibonacci levels are still holding very true indeed, and are, you know, basically forming some very nice levels of support and resistance on the price action. You can see these levels really doing some work, to be honest. I don't think I've looked at Polygon since we're around about here, maybe a month or two ago. Just been watching it really and seeing what's happening, but we can see obviously with my Fibonacci pulled from the high of the bull market here down to the current low of the bear market here, and you can see just how much work these Fibonacci levels have been putting in for Polygon. Very strong credence with the price action. You can see bounce up here, eventually getting above the 0.23 as back testing as support. We run up here, we smash all the way through the 0.38, and then since then really it's just been a tale of the range between the 0.38 and the 0.50 Fibonacci levels. Resistance, support, resistance, support. We get the deviation outside and the continuation up to the 0.618. Obviously the 618, a massive place where you do tend to get a pivot in the market. The FTX collapse happened, so we came back down inside the range again. Retest the low one more time at the 0.38. We run up here, basically consolidate above after breaking through the 0.50. We run up to the 618 here, get a little bit of a back test, and then a nice little breakout continuation area where we essentially, you know, got that, you know, overextension, you would say, looking to target up towards the 0.78, but the market having a little bit of a bearish turn in this instance, I think. And you can see here we started to come down, back test in these areas. I did say back here that I was averaging in to a long position for Polygon, and you can see here we actually had a bounce up here, and I think I may have taken my profits somewhere around here, just above break even, because I did think the bearishness would probably continue in the markets. I've not actually done a video on Polygon for a while, but I have been watching it. I was averaging in more and more to a larger and larger position as we came down here. I think my average entry ended up being around this area here, because this entry here was much larger than these other ones at this key level, which was the 0.50. And then you can see we got the bounce back up to the 618 here, like clockwork, and I think I took my profits in and around this area, a small profit in the end. Then you can see obviously got, you know, front run rejection, come down here, looking like we were potentially just going to be consolidating for a while, and then we came down to support again in this area, but looking quite bearish for Bitcoin, so I didn't actually take a position here, and you can see we actually lost support in the end, and currently looking like we're on our way down back inside the range yet again for Polygon. You can see basically just back inside this range between the 0.50 and the 0.38 Fibonacci levels. So I'll probably be looking to all reality to be playing this like this, basically just going to be, you know, trading the range again until it breaks. If we do see ourselves heading down to support, then I'll be longing, and if we do hit resistance again, I'll probably be shorting the market. You can see this is probably a fairly textbook trade, to be honest. We've clearly broken support, so really if we come back up to this, retest as resistance, and you do start to see the rejection, pretty textbook trade, to be honest. Heading back down into the range, probably take my profits somewhere in here depending on what happens, or if we just plummet all the way down to support here and start seeing a nice bounce, I'd probably be looking at taking a long there as well if that was the case. So that is really it for today, guys. Not that much going on in the markets. Obviously we are rolling over today, and we are waiting to see what happens next, which of our key levels will be hit first. So that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.